Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review my this month's FAB bag, which is the October FAB bag. I just received it the other day and today I'm going to review it with you guys. So this is how the bag looks like. It's a very pretty like a midnight blue soft leathery kind of a bag. It's not leather but it has a leathery feel and it's very soft. So let's see what I got inside this bag. FAB bag has kindly sent me a 10% off code for all my subscribers. So if you are about to book a 3-month, 6-month or 12-month subscription with FAB bag, you can use my discount code, which is Sayantini10. Will give you an instant 10% off. So the first product I can see is this Kiara cosmetics by the soap company India. This is the organic clay mask, hydrating and purifying organic clay mask. So this is basically a powder mask which you have to mix it with some gulab gel or something like that, and you will get a paste out of this and you have to apply this on any part of your body you like. This is from the soap company India and I have received a shower gel from them last month I think, and the shower gel is extremely good and it smells amazing. So I have high hopes from this. I am really looking forward to trying this one out. This is a 100-gram packet and the MRP is 349 rupees. And yes, it is the full size. Next I got this soap from this company called Global Beauty Secrets. You know I have received a shampoo and conditioner from this company and it is really nice. This one is a French soap from the same brand, and this is a plum butter soap. I haven't opened it yet. By the way, this is a full size product and the price is 500 rupees, which is insane. This is how the soap looks like. They have wrapped it in a paper thing and they also comes with this card which I haven't opened yet. It smells really nice. It smells citrusy. The smell I guess is quite relaxing. Next I got this Stellar Matte Lip Potion by this brand called WOC. This is a brand that I have heard of recently. I didn't know about this brand. This is my first time trying something from this brand and I am really intrigued to know how they work for me, because the color I got is Sunbath and it is this pretty brown, like warm tone brown shade, and the shade is extremely pretty. Let me show you a swatch of this. So this is how it looks like. I really love it. This is how the packaging of this product looks like. I really love this like a rose gold coppery kind of a packaging, and this one is completely matte. The finish of this is really good. It looks like a luxe product and the color of this is a really nice cinnamon brown color, which I really love. The formula of this is really nice. It is a weightless formula. It gives you an intense matte finish, like a dry matte finish. So you have to exfoliate your lips before applying this one, otherwise it's gonna accentuate your lip like fine lines on the lips, and also it takes a little time to settle down and give you the complete matte finish. You have to apply it and let it sit for a couple of minutes and then it's going to last you for a long time. So this month also I got to choose from 2 different categories. One was this WOC lip product and other one was the sugar Kajal. So I chose this one because I have a liking for brown tones for my lipstick, so I got this one. So this product is a full size and the price of this is 670 rupees. Next we got this Kajal from Sugar, and this is their Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal, and we got to choose from different shades of this Kajal and I chose the shade True Blue. I went for blue this time. I have plenty of black, so I went for this blue one. So this is how it looks like. This is a retractable like pencil and the color is a very nice navy blue, like midnight blue color. So this is also a full size product and the price of it is 249 rupees. Last product in my bag is this lip balm from this company called Raas. This is a totally new brand to me. So this is this basic jar, like plastic jar lip balm. I am a really big fan of lip balms. Whenever I am at home or I am outdoors, I love lip balm. I cannot function without a good lip balm. I am growing my lip balm collection these days. This smells really nice. This smells like this Bath & Body Works candles. I really love this one. This has a fruity fragrance and it is a full-size product and the price is 200 rupees. So overall, I really like this month's content because I got one full-size lipstick, one full-size kajal, one full-size lip balm, and everything in this bag was full-size. So I really love that. The quantity of the products may be less, but they are all full-size, so you get a great deal out of this. So I really hope you loved unboxing this month's fab bag with me. Let me know in the comments which product you like the most and you want me to review. I will review it for you guys. Hit like if you want me to show you my brown lipstick collection. I would love to do that, and let me know if you want to see it here or on my Instagram. It's time to wrap up this video and I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, you guys be happy and keep smiling.